Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will see another program in string tokenizer. In the previous video, I explained about how to count the number of tokens. Suppose if the message is like, welcome to all about CSIT. Okay, so here 3 tokens are there. This is completely one token, no spaces. So 3 tokens are there. So by using count token method, by using count token T capital. Okay, by using count token method, I had written tokens, 3 tokens are written. Now let's try to work on another program, that is a program to iterate token by token. Okay, token by token. I have to iterate the token by token in a given string. So whatever the string I had given, whatever the length of the string that it is there, but I need to print token by token. That is my program. Now let's see how to write this program. So under core Java, create new class. So let's the name of the file is token demo public static void finish. So package core Java. So here you have to import the class package, right? So what is the package name? Import. So what you have to write? Java dot util dot string tokenizer. S capital T capital, because this is the class name. String tokenizer. So whenever you have imported this class, then all the methods that are present inside that can be accessed. Okay. So now the class token demo is loaded, main method calls. So after calling the main method, try to write the program. So what? First string, as you have to take the string, right? Let's first take the string. So welcome to all about CSIT. Okay, welcome to all about CSIT. This is my string. So now call the class string tokenizer. String tokenizer. Let's take one variable st. New, an object has to be created, right? So with the constructor name string tokenizer. String tokenizer. So I already said the string tokenizer consisting of a parameter. String tokenizer, it consisting of parameter what? String. So what string I have to pass? Yes. So here string s contains, now s contains welcome to all about CICT. That has to be passed to the string tokenizer. So string tokenizer st is equal to new string tokenizer. Okay. So now what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to iterate token by token in a given string. Iteration. So whenever I'm calling about iteration, I have to use either while loop or a for loop. So while st is a string tokenizer dot, for iteration, what I have to do? First, it has to check, right? It has to check has more tokens. So what is the use of the has more tokens? Has more token. Has more token means it returns true if the token is present, otherwise returns false. That's why I have taken a while loop. In the while loop, st dot has more tokens. So first it checks the first token. If the token is present, it returns true. Okay, it true. Next, if the token is present, it returns true, right? If the token is present, it returns true, right? If the next the token is not there, then while loop will be exit. So that's why I have taken a while loop. While st dot has more tokens. Okay. So here system dot one second, it's a shortcuts is there, control system dot out dot println. So println, so what I have to write here? You have to write st dot So has more token. So if the token is present, then it returns true, then it enter into that. Now what I have to check? So I have to take a method next token. Next token. What is the method of next token? I already explained in the previous video. Next token method, it returns the current token and move the cursor to the next token if token is present. So if token is present or not, anyhow while loop is checking. If token is present or not, anyhow while loop is checking. Now it enter into here. So it prints the current token. The current token will be printed, returns, and the cursor will move to the next token. Okay, so this is the program. So now try to execute the program, save it, right click, run as Java application. See here, iterated, welcome, one token, two, another token, all about CSIT is another token. So this is the way you have to write the program. So what it is doing, I'm explaining again, students, so just have a look. So first, class demo is loaded, open brace executed, main method call. Now string s is equal to welcome to all about CSIT. So this is a string object, string is going to be created. So now this string, whatever s is there, so that will be stored in the string tokenizer. So the string tokenizer is a constructor. Okay. So in this constructor, so many methods are there. So first of all, I had called the has more token. I have taken the while loop. Why I have taken the while loop? Because I have to iterate token by token. So has more token, what it is going to do? Has more token, it returns true if the token is present. Okay. So first it checks all. Okay. Token is present, return true. Okay. Next, all welcome. First is welcome. Okay, it returns true. Next token is T, it returns true. Next token is all about CST, it returns true. But next there is no token, it returns the false and exits from the while loop. So whenever it is returned true, first token is welcome, right? It enter into here st dot next token. What this method will do? The next token returns the current token. What is the current token? The current token is welcome. Okay, the current token is welcome. Okay, now the cursor will move. Cursor will be moved to the next token. Okay, the cursor will be moved to the next token. So again, a cursor will move to the next token. Next token is T. So it returns the current token and the cursor will move to the next token. So again, all about CSIT. So it prints all about CSIT. Okay, and the cursor will move to the next if it is present. But here has more will not allow because it returns false. So next token will not be appeared. So this is the way you have to print token by token. Okay. So I hope you understand it clearly. Still, if you are facing any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.